Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today's episode is very special to me because we are honoring my late Aunt Joyce, who recently passed. She was a wild child and so much fun, and she was pretty creative with desserts in particular. So she used to make this one recipe that we all craved. It was a chocolate pudding concoction. So I'm going to put that together for you today, but first I have to make the pudding. And I'm going to show you how to elevate homemade chocolate pudding with a secret ingredient. So let's get started. To a large heavy bottom pot, add together 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of our secret ingredient, espresso powder, and finally half a cup of cocoa powder. Whisk them together. Turn the heat on to medium and gradually add 4 cups of whole milk, about a cup at a time, whisking constantly to create a smooth mixture. While continuing to stir, wait for the mixture to come to a boil. Be patient because unless it boils, it will not thicken. Once it begins to boil, cook and stir for 2 more minutes. Then remove from heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 2 ounces of chopped dark chocolate. Continue stirring until fully incorporated. Add a single layer of graham crackers on the bottom of an 8 by 8 inch dish. Spread half the pudding on top and repeat for a second layer. Smooth and refrigerate until the pudding is completely set, about 3 hours. Now I'm just whipping up a pint of heavy whipping cream with 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then we'll garnish. So here it is. It's nice and firm, which is what you want. Now we've got some delicious whipped cream. We're just going to add to the top. Very pretty and very yummy. And then, just to gild the lily a little bit, we're just going to dust it with a little cocoa powder. This is simple and delicious. You could also put some chocolate shavings on there. That'd be nice. It's delicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and become a subscriber. Don't forget to leave a message for me down in the comments. I'll write you back. Join me again next time here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.